the person I'm talking to, is that the person who is in this property at 2170 East Jefferson? You're not answering my question.
I'm the beneficiary of Dwayne Davis right here. The beneficiary.
Your Honor, since the defendant has not identified himself as the defendant in this particular matter.
I just did. I just told you I'm the beneficiary.
Are you even identifying yourself as Dwayne Davis Jr.?
No, I'm the beneficiary of that name.
All right, guys, strap in. Today we've got an absolute clown of a sovereign citizen in court. And trust me, this one is wild. This genius is facing eviction because, shocker, he didn't pay rent. But wait, it gets worse. Back in 2020, this guy scammed a COVID relief fund. Yeah, the one that was literally set up to help people pay their rent. So not only did he not pay, he stole from a program meant to help struggling families. And now he's pulling the sovereign citizen card like the law doesn't apply to him. I honestly can't tell if this guy actually believes the nonsense he's spouting, or if he just thought acting like a sovereign citizen would somehow get him off the hook. Either way, it's embarrassing. Let me know what you think while you're watching. Is this guy for real, or just trying to scam the system one more time? Either way, the judge is having none of it, and you're about to see this sovereign citizen get completely wrecked in court. Let's dive in.
Calling case number, thank you. Calling case number 22393437. This is Pasadena Investments LLC versus Dwayne Davis Jr. and all occupants at 2170 East Jefferson, Unit 1007.
Your Honor, for the record, Attorney Frederick J. Coleman, P56548 on behalf of the plaintiff. Your Honor, Mr. Davis at this time owes $6,706, court cost of $157. This is a subsequent hearing.
All right, Mr. Davis or Ms. Davis? Okay,
yeah, I'm
the
beneficiary of Dwayne Davis right here. The beneficiary.
What is it?
Are you Dwayne? Excuse me. Are you Dwayne Davis Jr.?
I'm the beneficiary owner right here.
Do you reside at 2170 East Jefferson, Unit 1007?
Yes, the estate does assign there.
Do you reside in that property?
The beneficiary, yes.
The person I'm talking to, is that the person who is in this property at 2170 East Jefferson? You're not answering my question.
I don't fully understand it. Say it again.
All right, okay. At this point, I don't see anyone who resides at 2170 East Jefferson, Unit 1007. If you do reside there, please make the court aware of it.
Okay.
Your Honor, since the defendant has not identified himself as the defendant in this particular matter.
I just did. I just told you I'm the beneficiary.
Your Honor,
of the name.
Your Honor, since the defendant has not identified himself as a person in this property, he's attempting to try to act like he's a sovereign. This property is owned and is an apartment building. We're asking for a default judgment at this time. If he decides to pay it, that's great. If not, we'll be moving forward after time expires.
Before we proceed with this matter, can I ask the director, the beneficiary? I'm talking to the plaintiff, sir. My legal person, I'm showing you right here, a corporation. Can you write me in 21 days and provide me evidence that you have legal?
Your Honor, none of that is required by law in this court. I'm asking for a default judgment this time. Quit wasting the court's time. If he wants
wasting your court time.
Gonna say it. I'm tired of sovereign citizens wasting time in court. This guy owes $6,000 in rent, scammed COVID relief fund, and now wants to act like laws don't apply to him. Please, he's not quoting the Constitution. He's quoting Facebook posts. Judges need to stop letting these people ramble and start shutting it down. Let me know. Is this guy clueless or just running one last scam? Let's get back into it and watch this train wreck unfold.
If he wants to file the appropriate court paper or identify himself to the court as you've requested on numerous occasions, then we can proceed forward. At this time, playing these legal games is against.
I have a birth certificate right here.
The law. Two, we provide the court with a lease agreement. We provide the court with the ledger. We're asking for a default judgment.
The court is in receipt of a summons, a complaint, a demand for non-payment of rent, as well as a lease agreement.
The settlement was never notarized.
Signed with Dwayne Davis Jr., as well as the proof of service. Mr. Davis, Dwayne Davis Jr., how much is your monthly rent?
I want to say 900.
When's the last time you paid rent?
Long time. Siri paid my back balance, but Pasadena never put it to my account. So I consider Pasadena either took the money or what. I don't know what they did with it, but Siri definitely paid it. It's on the record. It's on my the record with the Siri. You can find it in their profile. But they're supposed to pay my back balance.
I don't know. I can't find it in my profile. So you qualify. Sarah paid. How much did Sarah pay?
They paid up to like September, but they didn't pay they're supposed to pay July, August, September, but Pasadena never put that to my account.
Your Honor, if it wasn't applied, my client didn't receive it. That is not our burden. It's his burden.
But that's in documents though that they were supposed to pay. I have it in documents.
Your Honor, I'm not going to sit and argue all day, Your Honor. Bottom line is, the money is for his benefit. It is not for my client's benefit. Just like paying a mortgage payment. If I send a mortgage payment in, if it's not received, it's still on me. If you send a mortgage payment on my behalf and it's not received, it's still on the person who has the mortgage. He's the renter. It is his responsibility to have the money paid, or to whoever's paying on his behalf, that we receive it. We have done everything we're supposed to do. The documentation speaks for itself. At this time, again, I'm requesting for either default judgment or judgment by hearing.
And then I'm talking to the plaintiff. Can you just write me and saying that you have authority as a public servant to me?
Your Honor, I am not writing. I'm not
Mr. Davis. This is a landlord-tenant court. This is summary proceedings. This is the second hearing, and you're afforded legal counsel. Legal counsel was available. They said that they could not assist you at this matter. Are you even identifying yourself as Dwayne Davis Jr.?
No, I'm the beneficiary of that name.
So this sovereign genius claims he's the beneficiary of himself. Bro, what does that even mean? That's like saying you're your own boss but still asking yourself for a raise. They just throw around legal-sounding words hoping the judge gets confused. Spoiler, he doesn't. A beneficiary is someone who gets something from a legal trust. Not whatever this clown is doing. Honestly, he's just handing the judge a golden ticket to boot him out of court. What do you think? Should judges even entertain this nonsense? Let's jump back in and see how hard he crashed that.
So are you not Dwayne Davis Jr.?
No, I am not. I am not.
Okay. We are entering, the court has not received the call or answer from Dwayne Davis Jr. Does anyone on this Zoom reside at 2170 East Jefferson, number 1007? Is anyone present who lives in that property on this Zoom?
Your Honor, again, no one's responded asking for my default judgment. We can submit it to the court before the end of the day, along with a full ledger.
Default judgment granted.
Thank you, Judge.
Please submit the paperwork. Colin, you're free to leave. Well, nobody identified themselves, so calling the next case.
So yeah, this guy's finally getting evicted exactly what he deserves. What blows my mind is how sovereign citizens still think they can outsmart judges and lawyers with nonsense they picked up from Facebook posts and conspiracy videos. Holding up a fake legal document doesn't make you clever, it just makes you look like a clown. Courts have ruled time and time again that this stuff doesn't work. Yet they keep showing up like they've found the secret code to take down the entire legal system. Spoiler, you didn't. And let's not forget this dude literally stole from a COVID relief fund and never paid it back. Eviction was the bare minimum. Honestly, Zoom court isn't cutting it anymore. Judges should start dragging these people in person or at least hit them with contempt when they waste time like this. Anyway, that's a wrap. If you enjoy watching these courtroom disasters as much as I do, hit that like button and subscribe. I post breakdowns like this every day. Thanks for watching and take care.